Welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Tuesday, not Monday, Tuesday, 27th of May, 2025. Monday is a holiday. Enjoy Memorial Day. Thank you very much for your service, for those of you that have stood up and fought for us. As we get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something like anything, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. All right, if you like what you see, make sure you follow along with the various social platforms we've got out there. We're going to be adding one new thing to this shortly. You'll be able to subscribe to our newsletter, which is a daily, trading day daily newsletter. What's happening right now, potential setups and the likes, and it's all free. All right. So if we look at economic reports, what we got going on Monday? Nada. Nada. Is that a technical term? Nada frickin' thingsky. Nothing, honey. Why? Holiday. So we got nothing there. Let's change this over to a pen that I could use color-wise. So on Tuesday, 8:30 in the morning, I don't care. 10 o'clock, yep, 10:01, but they're blue. So they're actually, this is while I was going to speak. I don't expect anything, although on Wednesday, we've got the FOMC minutes. Right? I don't expect Waller's going to say anything out of the sorts. Wednesday, we also have 10 o'clock, right? But it's orange, so I don't care. On Thursday, we've got 8:30. Unless you're pre-market, it really doesn't matter, right? These are all pre-markets set up in here. So unless you're pre-market, meaning you're trading futures. 10 o'clock is orange. Be careful, but nothing crazy. Friday, 8:30, 10 o'clock is orange. We don't really have anything. There's nothing here really that's setting me off that says, ooh. Now, Fed coming up on Wednesday, as we said, that one is. That's at 2 p.m., right? So keep your eyes open for those minutes. And we're already looking for certain words in there. What is the Fed saying about the next meeting they're going to be having? That's really what it all comes down to here, all right? Let's jump in and look at the market. So the S&P 500, we've rolled over, and I mean we've rolled over nicely, right, on the S&P 500. It's probably time to redraw the fib. We looked at it last evening. We weren't quite there on the S&P. So I'm going to do this just for kicks and giggles, because I normally don't do this until we get into power option plays where I draw it there so everybody sees it and we document it all together. But I am very happy overall with where we are right now with this. It's actually perfect. So yes, that is where the S&P would go, should go, shall go going forward, right? So great setup, great move down today. We're in a bullish neutral bias. We're at a rank of maybe 1. If not, it's definitely a 2. But I'm pretty sure we're 1. So I like where we are, but we can't do anything until we get above the 8. So yeah, it's great. We're a 1, but we're neutral. So unless you're aggressive and trying to jump in and take something sooner, it's not me. Our first resistance point will be the 8 moving average, which ironically, if I just leave my mouse right where it is, that's about, not quite, but about center of the 2 fib lines, the 0 and the 236, about 50%, right? As we start to bounce, the 8 is going to come up and we will be right in center unless we get just a large gap and push up. So we've got the 5850 is the first target. The 5968 is second. 6,000 will be number 3. On the downside, that 5764 with confluence of the 21. And then down to the 5637 is next. Right, if we look at VIX, fear. Let's see what fear is telling us. We're back up again a little bit today. We're at 2233. We're up about $2, 2 points on the VIX. We're in medium. We're moderate. I'm really not too concerned with it. You know, the only thing is we just have so difficult to really see anything good because of that massive move right here, right? That big move up to that 60-ish level has been daunting for us, and we can't really get it off the screen effectively. If I make it really ridiculously big, the chart, meaning I've got a very short time frame, then we can bury it. But otherwise, no, we're okay, all right? So VIX right now, 22, nothing really crazy in there. Keep your eyes open this upcoming week. We're looking for the bounce on the S&P. That's what I want to see happen. We pulled back a little bit further than I wanted it to, but it did come back to what was the 1 line, which is what I was expecting it to, but the 8 did not react the same way because of how fast we moved to the downside. So we just got to get back above that 8, and then we'll start looking at bulls again. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great day, and I will see you all in our next update. Bye for now.